E-business is different from e-commerce, as it does not only deal with the online transaction of selling and buying product and service, but also to conduct a business process like inbound, outbound logistics and manufacturing, operations, marketing and sales and customer service within the value chain through internal or external network. And now we have some benefits from e-business, such as the first one is establishment of the foundation of digital management. The internet and the technology help business to transfer from the traditional one to the digital business. And also we have organization adopt the e-business model, like optimization of the supply chain process, also effectiveness, customer relationship management. Also we have systematic enterprise reasons management for strategic decision making, support and information management. When we said optimization in the supply chain, I think the supply chain, because the customer will receive when he purchases a product or a service, he will know the direction. He can track his deliver, and he knows the information about all the information delivery. And effectiveness, customer relationship management. Yes, all these is the benefits from the e-business model. When we have a digital management infrastructure is developed step by step, we will success rate of e-business and increase the benefit from e-business. Here the main benefits in e-business. When with the e-business we creating a new value, like here in production and delivery, we will reduce the operation and the transaction costs in production, delivery, sales, marketing and service. Why? Because in the traditional business, we have a store, we have a rent, we have a lot of employees and physical workers. And all this will increase the cost of the production and delivery and sales. But here, instead of that, we in online business, we don't have all these costs. So when I purchase a service or a product from online, I will take the same quality and with the same service, but in low costs, comparing with the physical store. Here in the value balance with the price, if we have the receiving value is higher than the actual cost, so we will make a benefits in the business. Cost reduction from e-business transaction reduce the physical, as I said, reduce the physical operation cost and reduce the human resource, reflect in the price of the product and the service that the customer will receive. Here we have a very famous example of the e-business. In social community, we have a Facebook. The Facebook can create a value by advertising. It allows the users, free users, but he make a revenue from his revenue from advertising. Also, we have in other example is a search engine like the Google. It make a revenue from by interesting, relevant advertising ad on the top of search results. Also, the last one in electronic market such as eBay, it's by transaction and advertising. He make the create the new value.